6,700 people that are infected, or at least registered. But we are testing only the people who are crucially ill. Said different things, and they are talking about different scenarios depending on how the virus will spread and how fast someone will be able to give a vaccine. But I still remember when I tasted you. I couldn't believe that it could be true. The first time of my life. And if you were human, I would make you my wife. Duduk sambil mancing, ompok habis tanpa
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dun sana MinangSatu dimanapun saja berada, alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Kembali berjumpa malam ini ya. Sekarang malam waktu Indonesia, kita akan mengadakan wawancara eksklusif dengan salah seorang warga asing yang sangat peduli dengan Indonesia. Kalau kemarin kita menampilkan perantau kita di luar negeri, kalau sekarang yang kita tampilkan adalah orang luar negeri yang pernah merantau ke Indonesia. Okay, I'm gonna say hi to Audun. How are you, Audun?
Hello. I'm doing fine, thanks. Hope you're doing good as well.
Okay, I would like to introduce you my editor-in-chief. It is Mr. Taufik Effendi. Silakan perkenalkan diri, Pak.
Ya, selamat malam.
Malam. Pagi in Norway.
Pagi in Norway.
No, morning in Norway.
Morning.
Okay. First of all, thank you so much for joining us.
Yes, thanks for the invitation.
Okay. First, I would like to ask you about the update condition of Norway. We want to know about what happened right now in Norway.
Yeah, sure. I will try to make it short. Of course, I'm not expert on the situation, but I've been reading a lot about it.
Yeah, so we need only a few information from you.
Yeah. So right now I have been in my home for about 1 month. Tomorrow it's 1 month, and I will just been staying here because the government has asked everyone to avoid any social interactions. So most of Norwegians right now, they are at their homes most of the time, but we can still take walks outside in the nature because we are not so many people, right? For example, in Italy and France, they have locked the country and you cannot go out of your home unless you want to go to the grocery or the pharmacy. But in Norway, we can still walk in the nature, so I feel a bit lucky about that.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, and but the situation of the virus right now is the curve is flatter. It's less people infected every day, or the increase is lower. And right now we have 150 or 60 mortal or people who died from the virus.
Oh, 160 people died.
Yeah, and our country, we have only 6 million population, so maybe half.
I see. Yes, compared with Indonesia, it's almost 250 million people. Okay.
Yeah, so much difference.
Very different.
Very different.
6,700 people that are infected, or at least registered. But we are testing only the people who are crucially ill, or healthcare workers, or other critical industries. So, of course, the numbers are most likely higher. And the deaths right now are 150, and the recoveries, they are 32. But if you take a look at if you take a look at the numbers of new daily deaths, it's flattened out. So in the last week, the numbers have decreased every time. So it's less people dying every day now than it was 1 week ago.
Okay.
Which at least it's a good sign of that the virus
good progress, in Norway.
Yeah, but of course it's a challenging situation, because if we ease the restrictions, it will probably just go back and spread again. So right now, I think the main goal in Norway is to postpone the spread so that the healthcare system can handle everyone that gets sick as good as possible, and maybe that we could get more equipment for all the healthcare workers and protection masks and all this stuff that we are lacking, and buy some time by doing the social distancing.
Secara prediksi. Nah, kalau secara prediksi Norwegia ini apakah sebulan lagi bisa lepas menangi perang dari corona ini, atau 2 bulan lagi, atau mungkin sudah ada prediksi dari pemerintahnya?
They have said different things, and they are talking about different scenarios depending on how the virus will spread and how fast someone will be able to give a vaccine. But most predictions indicates that the virus will be among us also next year, like that it will last for a pretty long amount of time. So right now the spread are very low, so it will take a long time for developing herd immunity. And if we want to develop herd immunity, it means that we have to put our healthcare system in a really bad position where they cannot help everyone that needs it, and the capacity will be out of order.
Oke, I see.
Ya, kemudian dampak-dampak langsung yang bisa terlihat oleh Audun selaku masyarakat, bagaimana dampaknya dengan adanya COVID-19 ini terhadap masyarakat?
Yeah, it definitely has impacted our social lives and the economy of Norway. Right now, just in the last 4 weeks, we have had 600,000 people becoming unemployed, which is 10% of our population, right? And right now the government has been put like a lot of crisis packages, if I can call it that, to stimulate the economy. So they everyone that lost their job the last weeks, they will get coverage from the government. So if I lost my job now, I will get 1 month of salary from the government, and then I will get more or less 75% of my salary covered for several months after that. Maybe 6 months or something. I don't exactly remember the rules. And then they have also made some efforts so companies that are struggling can apply for money from the government to cover some of their expenses to avoid people getting fired. So we have like a double impact on our economy right now, but luckily we are a very fortunate country as well, because we have the oil fund, which is like decades of saved up money from oil that we have sold previously. In Padang now?
Audun menanyakan kondisi di Padang, Pak.
Indonesia ataupun Sumatera Barat khususnya, memang sampai hari kemarin sudah ada 45 yang terpantau positif COVID-19. 45. Nah, lalu sudah ada beberapa orang yang sembuh, 6 orang yang sembuh. Tadi informasi terbaru sore tadi tambah 2 orang lagi yang sembuh. Jadi sudah ada 8 orang yang sembuh dari COVID-19. Umumnya semua sudah dari sudut pemerintah semua sudah peduli terhadap bagaimana membungkam coronavirus ini. Nah, demikian juga, tetapi dari sudut masyarakatnya ada sedikit perbedaan bahwa tidak otomatis masyarakat itu bisa mematuhi arahan pemerintah. Sebagian masyarakat masih ada yang bandel, terutama berkenaan dengan social distancing dan physical distancing. Nah, mungkin itu sementara update dari Sumatera Barat.
Okay, Audun, I just saw your post in Instagram. That you, it is about to release your documentary movie about Indonesia. Is it true?
Yeah.
Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah, sure. It's a film that just got released now for all Indonesian through the Go Play platform of Gojek. It's like a streaming platform similar to Netflix, but only for Indonesian audience. It's a film about everything that happened after I make the song about Nasi Padang, lagu Nasi Padang, and when coming back to Indonesia and how the music and the food let me interact with the Indonesian people and let me explore a culture and a nation that I fell more and more in love with.
Okay, can you tell more us about the first time you came to Indonesia until you fall in love to Nasi Padang and you create the song? Because sometimes people create the song for a girl or for a man, but you create a song about food. That's really appreciate us. That's really interesting.
Yeah. Well, it was I had a summer vacation where I went to Indonesia with a friend. So we were just traveling around from island to island, enjoying the beautiful Indonesian nature and interacting with people, but of course also eating a lot of great food.
Okay.
So, my favorite food from Indonesia on my first trip, it was of course Nasi Padang. So when I came home to Norway, I just missed it so much. So just like you say that people when they miss a girl, they can write a song about her. But I miss Nasi Padang, so I write a song about Nasi Padang.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oke, Pak, silakan ada yang ditanyakan, Pak. Ini soal Nasi Padang, dia bikin lagu tentang Nasi Padang, Pak.
Ya, kalau lagu Mr. Audun tentang Nasi Padang kan sudah sama-sama kita dengar. Tapi sudah ada baiknya kalau malam ini beliau mau menyanyikan itu kepada kita semua. Malam ini lagu Nasi Padang itu yang pertama. Yang kedua nanti kalau ada lagu baru, nah mungkin di MinangSatu kita bisa tayangkan untuk perdana. Mungkin kita bisa minta beliau kan?
Oke.
Zoom ini.
Okay. So, I still remember when I tasted you. I couldn't believe that it would be true. The first time of my life. And if you were human, I would make you my wife. Whoa. Nasi Padang, Nasi Padang, Nasi Padang, Nasi Padang, Nasi Padang. Whoa.
Great. I think that song is it's gonna be also special if you sing that song for a girl, I think. Okay. I forgot to ask you about when did the last time you came to Indonesia? In what year? I forgot about it.
Actually, I was in Indonesia in 2019 because I was
2019, last year, yeah?
Yeah, I was, but at that time I was just working with the film for Gojek or Go Play.
Oh, I see.
So I was just staying there for like 2 weeks, more or less, and I was just inside the editing room in Jakarta all the time.
Oh.
So the last time before that was 2017, and then I was traveling around in West Sumatra, and I saw so much nice places.
Oh, so you have ever come to Padang, West Sumatra, eh?
Yeah.
Yes, I've been there twice.
Huh?
The second time I was invited by Governor Irvan Praitno,
Oh,
and he had some from the West Sumatra Tourist Department taking me around, seeing a lot of beautiful nature spots in West Sumatra, and encouraged me. Maybe I wanted to write a song about it. So in 2000, I think it was 2017 or 18, I released a song, Lagu West.
oh,
Oke.
I see. Nice. Oh, oke. Silakan
Ya.
Pak, ada yang tanyakan Pak?
Ya, jadi ada beberapa hal nih. Yang pertama, apakah mengarang lagu atau menjadi pemusik ini sekedar hobi atau lebih dari itu? Nah, lalu yang kedua, udah berapa banyak ini lagu yang sudah diciptakan? Ya?
Oke, Audun.
I'm actually not
Musician?
working with that as a full-time. My full-time job is making sound and music for films.
Musik.
So yeah, so in my spare time I make music, but not so much. I'm not touring, playing concerts or anything like that. I'm just recording music more like for fun because I like it.
Ada nggak lagu Padang yang bisa dinyanyikan oleh Mr. Audun ini?
I have never learned any Minang song yet. So you mean if to learn a song in Bahasa Minang or to mean
in Bahasa Minang?
Yeah, if you have a good suggestion, you can send me a link. I can see if it's possible to make.
We're gonna send you soon. And okay. How about Indonesia song?
I have. I'm actually writing a song in Bahasa Indonesia right now. It's a song about Sungai Citarum.
Sungai Citarum, River.
Yeah, it's a song to remember the beauty of the river that gives water to millions of people.
Oh, I see.
So that's my first song with Bahasa Indonesia lyric.
Bisa dinyanyikan agak sebaik-baik sekarang ini.
So you can play just a little.
Oh, one second. Let me see. Okay. Ada di samantara manakara naik ketek di Sungai Citarum, bareng-bareng anak tetangga ada gadis melirik tersenyum. Ku duduk sambil mancing, ompok, tabes, dan baung. Ikan segar buat digoreng, makan pakai sambal goreng. Mari lestarikan Sungai Citarum, bagian dari sejarah Indonesia. Bersama galakan Citarum harum bersih, asri, indah, mempesona.
Wow.
Okay. Can you understand my pronouns?
Ya, mirip-mirip musik country ya.
Yeah.
Balad apa?
Indonesia we have apa ya, Frankie Sahila Tua ya,
Yeah.
almost the same like Frankie Sahila Tua.
Most genre ya.
Yeah.
Uh,
We have Indonesian legend
Oh, yeah?
singer. His name is Frankie Sahila Tua.
Okay.
He loved a ballad song, but now he just passed away.
Oh, no.
And the lyric you just sang remind me to Frankie Sahila Tua.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Kemudian ininya jenis musiknya juga mirip kan?
Yes, your genre.
Ya.
Yeah.
Which one do you like? Indonesia, maybe in Indonesian band or Indonesian solo, maybe.
Do you know?
Yeah. I like some bands and songs from Indonesia, like what's the name? Of course, I like the Indonesia Pusaka, and but also from maybe artists. Maybe I like you know what's the name of the band? I can't remember at the moment. I think a previous band he had was Peter Pan or something.
Peter Pan.
Oh, Noah.
Noah, yeah.
Noah.
I think that he makes some nice music, but I don't understand so much of the lyrics.
You said just before Indonesia Pusaka, so you know Indonesia Pusaka song?
Indonesia tanah air beta.
Yeah.
You know?
Can you Audun? Can you that song?
I like to listen to it, but I still don't know how to perform it. But I think it's a very beautiful song. It's a very beautiful composed.
Senang mendengar, tapi nggak bisa menyanyikan.
I think that you can sing the song. We can sing it together right now.
I wish, but I don't know exactly how the.
Okay, thank you, Audun. That's nice information for us. Maybe you wanna say something for Indonesian people. Maybe you wanna say something for Indonesian people and close with the song.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Yeah. Well, I just to the Indonesian people, I just really want to wish everyone that they get through this situation in the best possible way. That people respect and take care of each other, and yeah, it's not a good time for fighting, so it's better to try to share your love, even if it's a difficult time, I think. And I know it's difficult for a lot of people to be taking the social distancing because they have a job that they need to do, right? So I just so I don't want to like put pressure on everyone, but everyone that has the ability or the chance to actually keep social distance, I would really encourage it, because that's at least been helping here. Yeah. Nasi Padang, Nasi Padang, Nasi Padang, Nasi Padang, Nasi Padang. Saat aku memejamkan mataku, kurasakan kopukan di jemariku. Sungguh-sungguh sangat sayang sekali jika kau beranjak pergi tanpa mencoba sambal hijau. Nasi Padang, Nasi Padang, Nasi Padang, Nasi Padang, Nasi Padang.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, Audun.